someone can do or not do if they're assigned to that role. Let's take a closer look. In Aconex, there are 5 standard roles that are created by default for every organisation. They can be changed and new roles can be added. But the 5 standard roles are designed to suit most organisations in most situations. The basic role, as the name suggests, provides entry-level access to the system and is useful for people that only need to search for information and send the occasional piece of mail. Next is the Basic Plus role. This is the default role assigned to all new user accounts. It has all the abilities of the basic role, but additionally allows people to supersede and transmit documents. It's the default because it provides access to features and functionality used by the majority of users. Then we have the document admin role. This would typically be assigned to document controllers or users who might be responsible for document control type activity. It allows them to make documents confidential and to upload large volumes of documents using and we cover that role in more detail in the project admin course. Finally, there is the org admin role. This role's settings cannot be changed, and the first person to register an organisation becomes the first org admin. This role provides complete control over an organisation, its users, and any projects that the person is a part of. It's a powerful role and comes with a good deal of responsibility. We recommend that each organisation has a minimum of 2 org admins, just in case one is away. With the exception of the org admin role, all the roles can be renamed, removed, and have their settings changed. We recommend that you don't change too much if you're new to Aconex administration, and we've found that the vast majority of organisations never change the standard role settings. You can find out more about roles on Support Central.